Hey folks, it's me, it's Christy. This is week 4 of online school. I am making this video today for those folks who have either just joined the class this week, because there's a few of you, and for those folks who just haven't done anything yet. The first thing I want to say before I get into anything is that if you haven't started stuff, it's still completely 100% possible to pass this class. I feel like you could probably do all of my assignments this week and it would only take you a few hours. So don't be stressed or overwhelmed or think that you can't do it. Every single one of you, and I know all the people I'm talking to right now, can totally do it. My only thing is ask me for help. Like, don't sit there like at your computer not knowing where to go or what to look at for an hour and then get frustrated. Don't do that. You have my phone number. If you don't, you should. You have my email address. You can contact me here on the Schoology page, right? So just contact me. I'm happy to help. I'm pretty available all day, let me tell you. Just me and my cat. Speaking of my cat, she is going to the window right now and she may scream. She tends to yell at people. Anyway, so let's go back to the whole point of the video. The whole point of the video is for you to see what you need to do to get caught up, okay? So right now, you should see, it should say example student up here. This is my fake student profile. So this means this isn't the teacher Schoology, it's Schoology. It should be what you see when you go into Schoology, okay? So if you've never done Schoology before, or it's been a while, I'm just going to walk you through it. So there she is. That's Nikki. Say hi, Nikki. Now you don't meow, I see. So the first thing you do is go to courses, click on courses, and then my health class will pop up, health and wellness, so you click on that. You're going to see a bunch of things. Don't get overwhelmed. I've color-coded it all, so you don't even really have to do a lot of reading here. The first thing I want to say is if you want to look at the syllabus or the learning target sticker sheet, you can go to the pink folder. It says Health Quarter 4 Course Docs. If you want to access the sticker sheet or the syllabus, it's pink. The first thing you're going to do when you get on here is go up to Health Week 2 Learning Target 1. It's the purple folder. It's the first learning target we covered in online school. And if you read this, it says you can find everything and anything you need to complete learning target 1 in this purple folder. Let's click on this. Okay, so all we have here is a bunch of questions. So let's actually read the directions. So it says, please go to the following website and read the article on depression. Before reading the article, I want you to come up with your own definition of depression. Okay, so I put my definition, like my student definition here. I go to this article, which is very small. It's not a lot of reading. Read it, and then I answer these questions all the way going down to question 11. Okay? And then when I'm done with that, you are going to go down here. It says assignment 2 for learning target 1, and you're going to answer these 3 questions about anxiety, and then you're going to go to this website here, and you're going to answer these 4 questions about the website. Okay? So the first thing in your head is probably like, well, Christy, I can't just like put my answers in on here. What can I do? Like, how do I give this to you? You have a lot of options. I'm going to show you all the options. So if I was a student, what I would do is this. I would copy everything. I just copied everything. Control C. That's copy, right? And then I would go up to, well, not up, but out, Health and Wellness, Section 1. And then I would go over to the assignment was already due, so you don't have a submit option. Normally, there's a thing over here, guys, that says submit assignment, and you can just paste it in there, and it's super easy. But it looks like since the assignment was already due, that isn't an option. That's not a big deal. So we've already copied the assignment. What I'd like you to do then is go to your, that's my cat, go to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail. I'm going to my Gmail right now. You're going to go to your Drive, your Google Drive. And then once you're in your Google Drive, guys, you hit New. And my computer is taking forever. Do. How's it going, guys? How's life outside school? I have to say mine's pretty boring. Me and the cat, that's all I got. My daily excursion to go get coffee. You know how I can't say no to the coffee. Man, this is taking a while. Let's see what's going on here. So that's good. Whew. Hopefully yours isn't taking as long as mine. This is craziness. Dear. Alright, we're good. So you're going to go to New, guys. And you're going to go to Google Doc. Okay? Google Doc. And remember, if I go back to Schoology, if I go back to Learning Target 1, we have already copied this. But you know what? Just so you can see the whole procedure, right? You're going to go in, you're going to copy, Control C. Again, that just means copy. Go open up, go into Google Doc, go to New, go to Doc, Google Doc, open that up, and then Control V, which is paste, and then your assignment will be pasted in, okay? Now, all you got to do, and this is very, very important, if you want to be graded and you want it to be submitted, all you got to do is go to File. Well, actually, okay. First thing you want to do is title your document, okay? So what we'll title this is your name. So Christy, not my name, but your name. Christy, Week 1 Health. Bam! Hit enter. Now it has a name, so that's good. So this is the most important step, guys. Okay, so you go over here, you click on Share, and you put in my email address. Okay, you put in my email address, you click Send. Okay, once you do that, everything you type in this doc, I can see. So if I see that you're struggling, you've been working on the same question for like hours or days, I can come in and help you. Okay? Also, don't work on a question for hours or days. Just skip it. If you don't have one question done, I'm not going to fail you. I'm not mean like that. So as soon as you're done with all these questions, I'll be able to see it, and then you get your first sticker. Yay! How do stickers work on online school? Good question, guys. So as soon as you finish this assignment, I'm going to mail you your own sticker sheet. So it'll be like your name sticker sheet, right? So like Quinaya's health sticker sheet, for example. So once you pass your first target, you will get a sticker on that sticker sheet, and I will email it to you. And I'm just going to go back and forth with you every week. As soon as you earn a target, I'm going to give you another sticker, and I'll I'll send it to you. Okay, so this is week 1. Honestly, it shouldn't take too long. It should take an hour. If you're spending more than an hour, text me, call me, email me, get in touch, right? I want to help. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Schoology. I'm going to go back, you know what, I'm just going to go to the main page here. So again, courses, health. Once you get in here, so at this point you've met your first sticker, you got your first sticker, pat yourself on the back, pat yourself on the back, yeah, do a little dance. We're gonna now go into health, week 3, learning target 2, the yellow folder. In this folder you will find, a number of things. You're gonna find 4 videos like this one. You're gonna find directions to the assignment, and you're going to find some slides. That's the PDF, the notes. First thing I want you to do, guys, is open up the directions. Okay, so we're going to click on directions. The directions will pop up here, okay, and you are going to follow, you open the directions, you're going to follow the directions. Surprising. Okay, here's the deal, though. For this to work, step 4 and 5 is really important. So I'm going to read them. Copy this document and paste it into a new document. Share file with Christy. Name file with your name and week 3 health. Alright, so from the gate, I know that I have to copy this and I have to share it. So I'm just going to do that with you right now. It's very similar to what I just did, but I just want you guys to not struggle, because people in the first 2 weeks struggled a bit. So I'm going to control. Why isn't it working? How about let's start from the bottom and see if that helps. Sometimes that helps. Up, yeah. Copy. Control C, right? We go up to, again, your Google Drive. New doc, Control V for paste, check what I asked you to name it, because I even forget, right? So I asked you to name the doc. Oh, stop. My computer's being so weird lately, guys. What is with this? So I ask you to name it. Name file, your name, week 3 health. Alright, so I go to my doc. My name is Christy, week 3 health. Enter. That's the name of my doc. We're good. And then I go to share. And then I put in my email address, not your email address, but Christy's, my email address. Bam. And then I send it. And then again, I have access to your file and I can see what you're working on. So I'm going to go back to my directions here and I'm just going to read them, okay? So it says go to Schoology. Go to the yellow folder called Health Week 3. We've already done that. Click on Bullying and Sexual Harassment Notes. We haven't done that, so let's actually do that right now. So we're going to click on Notes. Which are right here. Again, it's up top. Bullying and Sexual Harassment Notes. And then all my notes pop up right here, which is really cool. So most of the things I ask you to do can be found right in the notes, right, guys? So if you download the notes and you're like, whoa, I don't like this, I don't like the way it's set up, you can click this little arrow over here, guys. Now it's right here, just moved. And you can download it. So if that helps, please download it. All right, my video is going to cut out here in a couple seconds, so peace out. Go to video 2.